Hello everyone, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am going to show you how to solve Windows Update error code 0x80070705b4 in Windows 11. To fix this error, right click on your desktop, click on New, select Text Documents, double click on newly created text document, copy and paste the script into the text documents. This script is available under the description. Click on File, click on Save As. Now select a location where you want to save it. In my case, I want to save it into the desktop. Now give a name of this file with .bat extension. Under the Save As type, select All Files. Click on Save. Now right click on the newly created batch file. Click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. From your keyboard, press any key to continue. Please wait until finishing this processes. After finishing this processes, again press any key to close it. Now restart the computer. After restarting the computer, please retry to update your Windows. Hope your problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.